Yes, next topic, borders, types of borders and types of borders, and how to move the cell up, down, right, left, with keyboard action. First, borders. These are all borders. Borders, bottom, top, left, right, no border, all borders, outside, thick, rot. These are all borders. First, see, I'm given some name. Open. What is that? Open. These are all how to paste it. Control C. Control C. And Control V. Paste it. Control V. It means what? Copy to paste. Once click the copy, again same word in the paste, 2 times you paste that. Next, same word, Control X. What is that? Control X. Now again 2 cells, 3 cells, and Control V. Control X after you paste the same word. Any word is not one time only pasting. This is the Control X after copy, Control copy after copy. Sorry, Control X after paste, Control copy after paste. See again, numbers. Here numbers is there. See, Control first C. Okay. I am taken 2 rows, Control V. Wait. Numbers were 2 times pasted. Next one. You are clicking, see here numbers. How many rows and columns are displayed? In this one, pressing on the left side of the mouse, how many columns and rows are displayed? Now I am in the first row, 8th one here. No data. Any data is have stopped there. Now data sum is there. It means see here. I am in first line. How to go to the last of the same line? Control down. Control down. It means name some table is there. That's why move the end of the table. Next. Now no end of the table. That's why you went to where? Last Excel sheet in the horizontal vertical line. Cursor moves to the last end of the Excel sheet number. Now Control plus up arrow. Control plus up arrow. Move the any one tables is there. Move up first one. Again Control right. See, last one of the right side of the Excel sheet. Control left. See, the cursor moves to the left side. This is using the move to the whole Excel sheet. Cursor moves to the whole Excel sheet. Next one, borders. These are all borders. Already I am displayed in the PPT. Now these are all cells have the lines and cells is there now. Excel sheet cells is there, and these are all the grid lines. What is this? Grid lines is using only type the letters and tables and that. In printing time this is not visible. See here, 1, 2, 3. Set. In this one, printing in 3 numbers is not visible the cells. Is not visible the cell. See here, is not visible the cell. See, why? Because these are all grid cells, grid lines. That's why it is not visible. How to visible on that? Given to the borders is visible that. See, I am given to so many is there. first I am bottom of the border. See here, bottom of the border displayed here in the same cell. Now top of the border. Next time give the top of the border. Thick. See there, thick. These all are light. These three cells are very thick. Now left side of the border. See, okay. Next right side of the border. Okay, in this times or 4 times or clicking the mouse. No, at a time how to give. See here. First remove that, no border. See, normal cells are, griddle cells are displayed there. Now give to the borders for at a time. See, all borders. See here, all borders at a time. 4 angles give the borders. Okay, this is very important in the borders. Moves to the cell in the Excel sheet and copy paste, cut, copy paste. These are very important. See here also, this is very big box. Now give the borders. See, this is grill lines are, these are very different. Understand, this is very important in the borders. Next border is outside border. What is the outside border? Cell this one. Give the sum now in the outside border. Give the same cells. Give the outside border. Outside border means the inner part is the grill lines, but outside where you are selecting that borders all are, give the borders right, left, top, bottom. This is the outside of the border. Okay, yes. Now how to give the borders, how to move the cells in the Excel sheets. These are clear. Thank you. Please subscribe my video.